let's go further on that because I love that. Okay, think about this now. Take it and make it individual. Think about the
Mm-hmm.
shops and the places that you normally go to that you haven't been going to a lot lately because of the situation, right? Well, they're struggling right now. They're businesses, they're small businesses. They're not bringing in the income they were bringing in. They may not know you from a hole in the wall, but you know that you are in there on a weekly basis buying stuff from them.
Mm-hmm.
What happens if you picked up the phone right now and you called them and you did one of two things? One, or even both. One, you called to say hello. And you literally, hey, it's me. I'm the one with the two kids that keep spilling the milk inside your shop every time I come in, and I'm sorry, but I wanted to call, check in because we haven't seen each other in a while. Or I'm the realtor, and you can do the subliminal sort of thing. Like I'm the realtor that's always coming in with their with their on their phone. I'm never paying attention to you, and I just pay you, and I leave with my eggs. Yeah, that's me. Listen, I know I haven't been in there in a while. You may not recognize who it is, but I will be back. And I just wanted to call you today and say, look, I know everybody's struggling, and I wanted you to know I will be back on your store shopping. Now, what have you just done?
You've love that.
Given them hope. You've given them hope. You've made them smile, right? You've reassured them business is coming back. You've also extended on relationship, even they may not know who the hell you are, because the next time you go in there, once it's all over, and you're like, oh my God, it was so good to talk to you at that point. I guarantee you there's probably barely anybody making that phone call. They will remember who the hell you are at that point. Okay?
So
now
no, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. I thought you were
I was gonna piggyback on what Greg was saying too. And the second part of that is step it up now, right? Do an individual video call with these people and talk to them about their business, not yours. You are the conduit of information. You are tagging them. They now have content to put out to their social media because of you. They're sharing it out. You're getting seen. They're getting seen. Everybody is happy. And now when you go back in there again after the fact, they are going to remember you. Now let me bookend this whole thing now. Now it's 6 months down the road. This thing is over. We're to normal world. You are out there becoming, being the community expert in your area. You want to be known as that person. Now that you're there and you've already done all legwork 6 months ago, 2 years ago when I had the producer call me, right? Now all of a sudden you're doing something in the community. And you're like, you walk in, you're like, hey, Greg, man, listen, it's, whatever. And you know who I am now. You're the little shop owner. I'm the realtor, right? You know who I am. Hey, I'm doing this community thing. I was wondering if I could look for your support. You think I can leave some flyers or put up a poster on your... What do you think these people are going to say? Of course you can.
All day.
They're going to help you. Now, don't make the phone call and don't do the video today just so that you can leverage it down the road. But let's be realistic. When you do good now, at some point down the road, people want to reciprocate.